back again for the part B of the conversation because number of things did not get covered up. We were, right in the middle of a conversation and I did not want to extend the timing. So I am going to wait for Vicky in a bit and we shall start. Where is Vicky? Guys, if you have any questions, please ask me right now only because he has an appointment in a bit and he will have to go. So I am just gonna wait for him to just come in. If you see Vicky online, could you please tell me that he is online? Where is he? So if you have any questions, can you please write now? Can you please tell me right now, please? I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting, darlings. Please ask me a question. Please ask me a question. Praveen, I will not be able to bring you onto my live video. Where is this? Where is this boy? Where is this boy? Where is Vicky? There is very light one. Where is this man? Ha, Rahul, you can go ahead and ask question. And why is this boy, this psychotherapist not here? Wait, where is he? Did anybody see him? Is he here? 24 people and he is not here as yet. Is he having a connection issue? Does he have a connection issue? Shall I call him? Let me call him. Where is Vicky? I'm waiting for Vicky Manuel. He is going to come in the screen really quickly. And he is... Hello. Sorry.
No problem.
I am taking a lot of your time. I know your client is waiting. So we will quickly do that. Okay, so we were at the question as like, should we go ahead and tell our would-be life partner or our life partner that we are into cross-dressing? Because a number of times what happens is that their partner rejects them. They have kids, they have families, they don't want to, they don't want to mess up the entire, the equilibrium in sorts. They don't want to mess it up. They don't want to mess up with the peace. They have a fear that they will be rejected. And they're like, why should we go ahead and tell? So it's a very serious question that I'm asking you because it will depend from person to person. So
Absolutely.
What are your views about it?
Well, just before we could get disconnected, I said a relationship base needs to be on trust. If the trust factors are not there, then the relationship won't stand. So it is better to speak the truth today for a better tomorrow, or lie right now and go and struggle in the future then. So it's much better to do it today.
Okay, so if at all you're feeling this, I think it's better that they reach out to a counselor again because, it is... Rahul, please tell me a question, then I will answer. Okay, so I don't know what your question is. Sometimes CDs are confused with gender expressions, sexuality, etc. So sexuality bit we will explain later because again that is a very long topic.
Absolutely.
That is a different branch altogether. We are mainly discussing as to what seeding is. Is it a mental illness? What to do if you're feeling confused? And what to do if at all you... How to talk about it. How to talk about it to your would-be client, would-be life partner or to your life partner. So I guess the best thing, Vicky, should be that if, because it is depends on a person to person. Their situations will be different. There is no situation which will be the same. I think
Absolutely.
it's better that we should again, encourage them to visit a counselor, because a counselor would be able to see the situation as a whole and then talk. Number of times they call their families also, right? If at all there is something which they know that family should be involved, then they say that, bring in your wife, or, bring in your family, let's talk to your family and let's explain to them. This is what happens generally if at all a family needs to be involved. Is this how it goes?
No. So because I am not supposed to, as a counselor, I'm not supposed to break the trust of my client. So my client has met in that room for a counseling session. I will not go and tell this to anybody. And no matter what the person has shared, is always going to be with me. I am not going to, so I am never going to ask a client to get your family. But if my client says that, can I get my family for this? Then we would call it as a family therapy.
Oh, that's when the entire thing will, come about.
Absolutely, because
Is there?
as a counselor, I'm supposed to
on.
keep that entire thing as a secret. He is free to go and tell, he or she, whoever is coming as a client, they can go and tell this to anybody, that I visited a counselor. But as a counselor, I would never go and tell this to anyone, that I had a so-and-so
Very
client.
Right. So again, seeding associated with sexuality is a very different topic altogether. Maybe we'll take hours to discuss that. And as
Absolutely,
I said,
yes, it's going to take.
This is not where we can again go ahead and discuss at length. I wish we could have gone ahead and discussed this, but the problem is that Vicky has an appointment. So quickly, we'll take another 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes, I would request my viewers to tell me, or to just type in a question and tell me if this was clear, or you want to ask something else, because he's here, and let's go ahead and take this opportunity to do this. So Vicky, would you like to go ahead and tell something else? Would you like to go ahead and say something else? Anything that we have missed out on?
Well,
Is there something like that?
The moment we talk about
it got
acceptance,
frozen.
hello? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Go on.
When we talk about, acceptance, it's very easy to say on the upper side, you know what, I have forgiven, I have forgotten. But it does not go away from your subconscious mind. It's only from your conscious mind that you said it, ho gaya, maine bhool gaya, chhod diya. It has not gone away. And because
बहुत सारे लोग बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, मेरे को मालूम है, बहुत सारे लोग बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, जैसे ही कंफ्यूजन चालू होता है वो बुक्स पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, ऐसे कुछ सबकॉन्शियस वाला उसके बारे में, थोड़े दिन तक वो चीजें ठीक रहती हैं, उसके बाद में वो वापस आ जाती हैं.
Absolutely, because it is only suppressing it. It is not getting out from your head. It is only suppressing it. और जितना उसको suppress करोगे वो एक दिन तो बाहर आना ही है. As we were talking about bottled up feeling, right? Bottled up feelings are from ages, which is there. And one day it comes out.
तो वो उतना टाइम लगता है ना, वो उतना टाइम भी लगता है ना निकलने के लिए.
Absolutely.
Isn't it?
Yes. And that's when it becomes
तो
very
अगर
difficult.
किसी ने 20-25 साल अपने आप को सप्रेस करके रखा है, और आपको लगता है कि 5 सेशन काउंसलर के साथ में होने के बाद, एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद, बुक्स पढ़ने के बाद, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने सॉर्ट आउट हो गया है, तो सॉर्ट आउट नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि वो अंदर की इतनी बॉटल्ड अप फीलिंग्स है, और वो बहुत टाइम लगेगा वो चीज को सॉल्व होने में. Isn't it?
Absolutely.
जब भी आपके पास में अगर कंफ्यूजन होता है, I think you have to continue to take help. in any which way. I think this is where I would agree. I don't know how many people will disagree, but this is where I am coming from.
Let me just add to what you were saying. The major problem is somebody feels that okay, I'll visit a counselor. Maybe after 2 sessions they feel like they have been cured, or they have been they are feeling all right, and they stop going to the counselor without realizing that has the problem completely gone away. Something would trigger again in the future, and they are back to square one.
Arey, same cheese. People go ahead and tell me, in spite of the fact that I have a mental disorder, I'm on medicines, people tell me start yoga, stop going to your psychiatrist, everything will be solved out. It's from within. You need to heal from within. But I know what I have gone through, or I go through when I stop my medication. It is a very long process. Of course, when I feel better, the medication comes down, and I feel worse, of course, the medicines go up. It's to keep me sane.
Absolutely.
This is where I am coming from, and I know that we require we require a life coach, in a way, a therapist in a way, to continue to help us, to take us through this journey, so that you can continue to live a life which is fulfilling, which is free, and which gives you certain help. Somebody who can hold your hand through this entire process.
Absolutely.
Right. So I think we have made our point. We have dealt with some questions, and I would say that if at all somebody still has any questions, अगर आपको और questions अगर आपके पास में हैं, तो मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज रीच आउट टू विकी मैनुअल. उनका जो हैंडल है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में होगा, और मेरे पोस्टर्स में भी है उनका हैंडल, इंस्टा हैंडल, तो आप उनको रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस वो आपको आंसर शायद नहीं कर पाए, पर वो आपको गाइड करेंगे कि वो आप किसके पास में आपको जाना चाहिए. वी हैव टू ऑल्सो understand the fact that Vicky is a professional. He charges a fee, of course, because he's a professional, and he would not be able to give you, an advice always, but he will be able to direct you as to where should the person go. Am I correct, Vicky?
Yes, yes.
Am I saying it correct?
Absolutely.
Okay, and I know that you're getting slightly distracted because somebody has already come. Okay, thank you, Vicky, for your time. It was wonderful having a chat with you.
Thank you
in the
so
days
much.
to come, depending on the questions that I get again, we'd love to go ahead and have you back.
It will
Thank
be my
you so
pleasure.
much
Thank
for
you so
coming
much.
on, Meet
Yes.
the Allies, and being an ally. It means a lot to the LGBT community and to my CD clients, because to my gender fluid clients as well. I hope that we were able to answer a lot of questions which were posed on to me, and a number of DMs that I got. So thank you so much. We were not expecting a second live, but here we are that we did a second live. So thank you so much, Vicky. We hope to see you soon again. Thank you so much for your views.
Yes.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.